South Africans, we say that Donald Trump, come and save our country. You have done it in Venezuela to arrest the president. You can also do Please come in South Africa and help us, Donald Trump. Please, we beg you, Mr. President. You are the president of the people. Save our lives, save our people, save our country in South Africa. I think.
Hello everyone, Ganuchi Sarak and welcome to my channel. So a South African man who claims to be a farmer has gone viral after taking to social media to ask US President Donald Trump to capture South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. This comes after Trump ordered the capture of Venezuela's former president Nicolas Maduro, accusing him of running a drug trafficking syndicate. Maduro later appeared before the United States District Court in Manhattan on the 5th of January 2026, just 2 days after his arrest. He and his wife Celia Flores were charged with narco-terrorism, cocaine importation, conspiracy, and possession of weapons. The couple have since pleaded not guilty to the charges. Now, that South African man believes US President Donald Trump can save South Africa the same way he claims Trump saved Venezuela by abducting their president Nicolas Maduro. He says Trump should come to South Africa to help fix the country. I wonder if this is just content for attention or he truly believes what he's saying. He's either very funny or completely delusional for appealing to Trump to arrest South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. I mean, guy does not even meet the requirements for the refugee status Trump offered to Afrikaner or white farmers who claim there is a white genocide in South Africa.